Well, it's another day, absolutely beautiful sunny day. Now I've got 3 days off from work, I've actually booked it off, so I thought I'd test out my brand new canoe. I'm going to go to a river that's pretty much quite around the corner from me, so I'm just going to have a little bit of a paddle, bit of an explore, and hopefully it works out great. And I've just spotted, you can probably see me from the camera and the lens there, so let's check it out. Well, finally out. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, well chuffed with this canoe. It's always a nice, like, oddly satisfying thing when you work hard and you save up and you're able to think yourself, treat yourself. I've worked hard for this, I'm going to get it, and I'm so happy, I'm so chuffed. I've probably not paddled properly in about a good year or so. Especially with COVID, we've not had much chance to get out, but I'm so happy to be out. It's an absolutely beautiful sunny day. I'll be showing you a few views of where I'm going now. Come on, this is mint. Wow. Give you a little bit of a quick update. I had a bit of a choice with the river, okay. I had 2 ways to turn. One way, I head towards a nice gentle river that heads towards a nice little pond, or I have an option of here, which I've decided is a bit more of an adventurous route, okay. So I'm going to have to go over to some trees, underneath some branches, and eventually hopefully find a nice little waterfall / pool, maybe have a quick little jump in then. I'm pretty sure you can understand why I chose this route. Right, I'll show you what it looks like now. I'm pretty sure, I bet you're all like kicking yourselves. I wish you could join me, and I wish you could. This is absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait till when this is all over. I can have all my mates and come and join me with this one. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Yep, it does look like a paddle. Let's see if it's any good, Nick. Huh, see what I found. Extra little spare paddle. However, unfortunately, no T-grip. So that'll be something maybe to look into. But just look at that. Honestly, it looks like the Amazon from here. Obviously going into the unknown. No, I'm just kidding, I already know where it goes. Eat your heart out. Wow, look at that. Beautiful sunny day. Out here in my new canoe. Absolutely loving life. Just now in the shade. Whew. Yeah. Log deserted Jeremy. Move out of the way. Absolutely fantastic. I'm really enjoying it right now. It's just nice to just get out, really. Especially when you've been in the house, you know, with everyone else staying there during lockdown. It's nice to get, you know, have time to yourself, really, to have fun, really. Absolutely beautiful day. Well, finally made it to the waterfall. It's a nice little pool to myself. Might have a quick dip in a second. Further up the river, just there, it went rather shallow. So I had to actually step out and actually drag the canoe, which you can see I had to take the pull line out. But not too bad. It was only a little bit. Once I got past my knees, I went back in and it was all fine. Right then, there's no point chatting anymore. Let's get no other way of doing it but just committing, really. It's a little bit in the shade, but it'll be alright, it'll cool me off. So, let's go. Don't know if you can still see me. I'll catch up. Oh, it's so nice. Around here, which I'll wait till the hands dry, it's like a load of little tadpoles. Let's hope they don't swim. Well, no, that's the Amazon, isn't it, where they have that? Yeah, well, let's hope it didn't happen here. Oh. Lush. So as you can see here, all these tadpoles just by my feet. Well, I don't blame them, it's lovely actually. It wasn't as cold as I thought it would be. So, as it pains me to say, I think it's time to head back now. Hopefully we're going to have a little bit of a bonfire tonight. Just have a nice little chill out with a couple of beers. We're not going to be camping out tonight, but hopefully I'll just stay at home and just have a nice chilled out night. And hopefully get myself all ready for tomorrow. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do just yet. Hopefully I want to try and do something with my niece and nephew, as I've not really had a chance to hang out with them. Still keeping that distance, mind, but you know, it's good for their well-being, it's good for mine, and you know, it's just a great day to hang out with them. So.